Bitcoin has been leading the charge in this bull market, but if history tells us anything, it's that alt season isn't far behind. If you've been in crypto for a while, you know that when Bitcoin pumps, money eventually flows into altcoins, creating massive opportunities. But here's the thing, most people don't position themselves correctly. They chase pumps too late, buy weak projects, or fail to take profits when the time is right. So today, I'm going to break down exactly how to play altcoin season the smart way. We'll cover how to spot the early signs, which types of altcoins tend to pump first, and most importantly, how to take profits before it's too late. Because if you don't do that, it defeats the whole purpose. So if you want to make the most of altcoin season without getting wrecked, this video is for you. First, let's talk about how to recognize when altcoin season is actually starting. The biggest mistake people make is thinking that just because a few altcoins are pumping, we're already in alt season. That's not really how it works. True alt season happens when Bitcoin dominance starts declining, meaning money is rotating out of Bitcoin and into alts. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is still high. That means most of the new money entering crypto is flowing into Bitcoin first. But eventually, when Bitcoin's price stabilizes, investors start looking for higher returns, and that's when altcoins take off. Historically, we see Bitcoin dominance peak before major altcoin runs. For example, in 2017, Bitcoin dominance was above 60% before it dropped all the way down to 35% as altcoins exploded. The same thing happened in 2021. Bitcoin dominance peaked, then declined sharply while altcoins went parabolic. This is why watching Bitcoin dominance is one of the best ways to predict when altcoin season is about to begin. But it's not just about Bitcoin dominance. Another major signal is liquidity flow. When traders start taking profits from Bitcoin, that money doesn't just leave the market. It moves, oftentimes, and a lot of it, into altcoins. You'll often see Ethereum leading the way, followed by large cap alts, and then mid and low cap coins as speculation really kicks in. So what does this mean for you? It means you need to position yourself before the big moves happen. The best time to buy altcoins isn't after they've already pumped 300%. It's when Bitcoin dominance is peaking and Ethereum is showing early strength. If you wait until every influencer on Twitter is talking about altcoins, you are already too late. Now that we know how to spot the start of altcoin season, let's talk about which types of altcoins tend to perform best. Because not all altcoins pump at the same time, and understanding the order of rotation can help you maximize profits. Historically, Ethereum is the first major altcoin to move. As the second largest crypto, Ethereum attracts a lot of institutional interest, and it also serves as a gateway for other altcoins, especially DeFi. When Ethereum starts breaking out, it's usually a sign that the rest of the market is about to follow. After Ethereum, we typically see large cap altcoins like Solana, Avalanche, and Chainlink start to gain momentum. These projects have strong fundamentals and already have significant adoptions, so they're the next logical step for investors rotating out of Bitcoin. Once large caps start running, mid-cap and low-cap altcoins follow. This is where the biggest gains happen, but also where the most risk is, because the risk is they don't have any gains. Projects with strong narratives like AI tokens, gaming tokens, and DeFi protocols often see explosive growth during this phase. And finally, we have the most speculative part of the cycle, meme coins and microcaps. When meme coins start pumping aggressively, that's usually a sign that the market is nearing its peak. This is when retail FOMO is at its highest and experienced traders start taking profits, if they haven't done so already. The key to playing altcoin season successfully is understanding this rotation and positioning yourself ahead of time. If you're buying large caps when low caps are already at 500%, you're late to the party. The best strategy is to accumulate strong projects before the rotation begins and take profits as retail money floods in. This brings us to the most important part, taking profits. This is where most people fail. It's easy to get caught up in the hype and believe that your favorite altcoin is going to keep going higher forever. But if you don't have a plan to exit, you're going to watch your unrealized gains disappear when the market reverses. One of the best profit-taking strategies is to sell in stages. Instead of trying to time the exact top, take profits incrementally as your coins hit key price targets. For example, you could sell 25% after a 3x gain, another 25% after a 5x, and so on. This way, you lock in profits while still having exposure to further upside. Another smart move is rotating profits back into Bitcoin and Ethereum. When altcoins are at their peak, Bitcoin is usually undervalued in comparison. Taking some of your gains from speculative plays and moving them into Bitcoin or stablecoins helps you protect your portfolio from the inevitable crash that follows. We saw this play out in previous cycles. In 2017, people who made millions on altcoins but failed to take profits lost everything when the market crashed in 2018. The same thing happened in 2021. Investors who thought their coins would keep pumping ended up holding worthless bags for years. Don't let that be you. Have a plan, take profits, and remember that markets move in cycles. So what is the best strategy for altcoin season, you might ask? First, watch for the signs. Bitcoin dominance peaking, Ethereum showing strength, and liquidity rotating into alts. Second, position yourself early by accumulating strong projects before the hype. Third, take profits aggressively and don't get greedy. Altcoin season creates massive opportunities, but only if you play it the right way. If you chase pumps and hold too long, you'll end up on the wrong side of the cycle. But if you plan ahead and stick to a disciplined strategy, you can walk away with real gains. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think altcoin season is about to start? Which altcoins are you watching right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you want to learn more about how to navigate the crypto market without making costly mistakes, check out learningcrypto.com. It's the best place to get real, practical crypto education. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.